Thanks for spending some time with material management software. In this episode, we're going to walk through how to get to Power Predix. Power Predix is our analytics engine. How do you know what you've spent on a job, how much you paid, the items that you bought? Power Predix allows you to take a look at all of that, and it is an add-on module above and beyond Power Order. It does require Power Order, and we can talk about Power Order in a separate video. However, I wanted to talk to you how you can get to Power Predix. So step one in Power Predix, this is the essence of Power Predix right here, but how do we get there? First things first, I can log in via material management, and I can log in on the website and then select Power Predix. If I'm a Power Order user, I can always go here and select my Pongs. And if I select Pongs, it's then going to take me into my Pong system, and I can click Power Predix and get to Power Predix. I can also go to https://predix.matmgt.com. Once I'm there, I've got a series of canned reports. We're always adding new reports on here. I can go in and do a vendor usage report. I can pick a vendor or a series of vendors, or I can do a job number, or I can do a date range. And so if I pick a job, I can say, hey, how many vendors have I worked on for a specific job? Or I can go in here and pick a specific job number. If I select a specific job number, I can pick some dates. I really don't know what I'm going to get on this. I'll just pick a month worth of data and I'll search. And I didn't find any results, so I'd have to figure out exactly which vendor I wanted. But we can also do it without a job. So I can go in here and say, hey, from a specific date range, what have I done? I can then say, hey, Platt, I've spent a lot of money with Platt, and I can go in here and select Platt, and then Platt will actually load up, and I can see everything that I bought with Platt. I also have a few other different reports. The PO review report is designed for, if I give it a job number and a date range, how many purchase orders have been logged against that job. I can then click on the PO number, and that PO number is then going to give me all of the items that I bought on that purchase order. I can also use a cumulative material report. This one is really designed to be working with jobs. So based on a job, I can then see all of the items that I've purchased on that job. The item report is meant to be a little bit more specific. I can go in here and say, hey, either again, by job or by anything, I can say, how much have I spent on PVC? In this case, I'm going to do the last 15 days. And so I'm going to get an output of every item with the description of PVC in there. And if I want to, I can export that. And when I export it, I'm going to get a nice clean list without any sort of filtering or anything. And I can go in there and make nice pivot tables out of Excel if I want to, but it downloads as a CSV file. And because it downloads as CSV, it makes it very flexible. So I can see all of these items. If I want to know how many times have I purchased that particular product, again, I can click on it and go, gosh, I bought this on multiple different purchase orders at multiple different times. So that's a little preview of what you can do on Power Predix. Thanks for the time.